All right, guys, so let's take a look at how you are going to go through your portal screen to check your grades, and then how do you function inside of Schoology also to look at your grade report. So we're going to first start with HAC. If you are signed into your mynisd.nisd.net, you are going to find HAC right here on your portal screen. If you click on that, it will send you into a screen where you can sign into your home access center. And you are going to use your S number and your 4x4. Okay, that's your normal login that you would normally log into to get into Schoology, get into Gmail, everything else. Now, on this screen is where you're going to see your current school averages. And you'll just go straight down the list and you'll see all of your classes listed here along with any of your grades that you have. If you want to look across the top, you'll see your home window, you'll see your attendance. Classes is where you will go to see all of your classes and all of your averages. If you click on the grade report, that just shows you your progress report grades. That one is usually just used at the 3rd, 6th, and 9 week. You don't really care to look at that one at this point. Where you really want to look is that classes, and that's going to show your current grades for the 6 weeks. You'll see here, view classwork for a report card run. Right now, we're in the second 9 weeks. But if you wanted to go back and look at any other 9 weeks, you can do that here. If you want to look at just a specific class, you can click on that. And then, of course, you can organize your view by either due date or classes. Classes is what I recommend. Okay, so now that we've looked at HAC and we want to go into Schoology, my recommendation for you guys is when you are inside of your Schoology screen, probably the easiest way is if you are in any class, so click on any class that you want to look at, go to the grades menu. The grades menu is where you're going to find your marking period 2. Here's marking period 1, which we're already done with. Marking period 2 is here. This is where you're going to see all of your assignments with the due dates and the grades. If a teacher has given any feedback for that, the comments will be listed here. Another way to look at all of your classes at one time, which is really helpful, is to use your grade report at the top of your screen. If you click on grade report, you'll see all of the classes that you're currently enrolled in, and you can just click here and it will show you all of your current grades, what's graded. And then guys, if something is missing or late and your teacher has left a comment, you will see this here on the right-hand side screen. If you need to turn that in, if it's blank or it's missing, you can jump right to the assignment by clicking on the assignment link and going directly into the assignment. Remember, we're always clicking on that My Document tab if this is a Google assignment. If you see anything that looks like this, guys, that doesn't mean that you can't turn something in. It just means that you are not connected. So if you ever see an error here, my suggestion is if you don't see this connect here or log in, that you click this first. That's going to give you the ability to reconnect your assignments in your Google Drive. You will have to type all of this in, starting with your email. Once you type in your school email into that box, it will authenticate you again in Schoology on Google. You do have to click allow. And once you go through that process, guys, your assignments will automatically show up here in the Google Drive. Now you'll notice here, once you've submitted something and turned it in and it's after the due date, you don't have the option to unpublish it. But I will tell you guys that you can access all of your assignments, past, present, future, inside of your Google Drive. So if there's something that you need and you need to see it, you can go back into your Google Drive and find it. All right, guys, again, grade report is where you will go to see all of your grades at one stop shop, every single class. Or, of course, you can go into individual courses and click on the grades option here to see your grades. You'll also see all of your upcoming stuff. If you click here on the very left-hand north side emblem, anything that's overdue or that needs to be turned in will also show up in this course dashboard, this activity here. And then you'll also see anything that's upcoming here as well. All right, guys, so hopefully that helps. And you're able to get into both your HAC grading system. And of course, you'll find that on your portal. Everything that you need is found here. And don't forget, guys, you also have homework help here too. If you wind up needing some help after hours, or you need help with your Chromebook, you can do this here. Everything is on that portal screen that you need. You just need to look for it. Okay?